Maniology! Any tips or tricks to achieve a seamless stamping pattern on longer length nails?
Tip number 3, do isolate full nail designs to kind of select a repeat or a seamless pattern. So I feel like designs that have like a very definite border around the images and stuff need some isolation. Now what I'm gonna do, all these images that aren't completed, I'm gonna take out. So I know it's missing this top portion, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up more of that image so I can create a seamless pattern. So let's isolate. Isolating is our friend, right? And I'm gonna do my best to now line up that portion of the pattern and make it continual. So you see how I had to stamp 2 times, picking up the image and stuff, and then just create that seamless pattern. And I love the fact that it's edge to edge too, so it looks natural. And there you go.